Hello everyone, beautiful day today. Even though it's so cold, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that sky, beautiful. So I'm here in Bethlehem, on 4464 Gable Drive in Bethlehem. Beautiful neighborhood in here. And my customer today, Rebecca and Josh Trees, they were nice enough to let us put the sign in front of their house in here and let me canvass the neighborhood. And they helped us with some referrals, friends of theirs that own their own houses, and we were able to give them a great deal discount on their windows today. Window looks absolutely awful on the outside. I wish I could get much closer to that bow window down there. It's all shot, and there is another window, 4 windows in the back that are really sitting right on top of the heater. All the heat comes out, blows right in them, and they were getting sick and tired of that. It is so cold in that dining room, so they decided to go ahead and replace them with us. I want to thank them for their business, and for everybody else, enjoy the rest of the day. And if anybody is listening and they need windows, they need financing, they need help with the cold in this freezing winter, please give us a call, 610-973-2500, and ask for Elias, of course. Enjoy the rest of the day.